Oh, it's sunny. We came to the Golestan Palace.
Yes.
The UNESCO Heritage of Tehran, near Grand Bazaar. Oh no, I cannot see. Near Grand Bazaar, we go explore the palace, see different parts.
Geschenke, Geschenke. Geschenke? Geschenke, Geschenke. Beautiful, beautiful in Farsi. For the people who don't know.
We go to the main hall, first hall.
Crazy, crazy.
do you sneak in? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
$2.
$2. Okay, pay.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, $5.
No, five is too much. Two. Okay. Wow.
It's actually much more beautiful because there are no people, you know, it's silence.
Yeah, today it was so crowded. Yeah.
Very crowded.
Very crowded, busy. It was free. The museum was free in Iran today, and all the families came to visit the museum. Both museum, the National Museum and the Golestan Palace, was fully packed. Yeah.
But it's free because it's national.
Somehow the National Heritage Day today. So they make the museum free. People can go and see their history.
It's really nice. I really love it that it's accessible for everybody, also the poor people. Yes, I love it.
Now we are going to have a walk around the Golestan Palace.
No, stop. It's so beautiful. Look there.
But
It's so beautiful. Now you can say it. What do you want to say?
okay, now we are going to have a walk around the Golestan Palace to Shamsul Emara building, which was somehow in that period the highest building in Tehran. I think it's 2, 3 or 4 floor. I don't know. Let's go check it out and see the garden and enjoy and hang out with people. She's laughing. Okay. And laughing. This is nice as well, you know.
So what if we go from there?
They kick us out,
They
yeah.
kick us out.
Oh.
There were like 4 security guys. We need to go, it's time. So we didn't see the last building.
Oh,
It's okay.
it's okay, it's
Maybe
okay.
we can go from there.
Everybody's going out. Okay, we go out this way. Hey!
We're at the National Museum.
Yeah, we came to the National Museum today, Iran Boston Museum. And we're gonna go show you the Iran history. Let's take a look.
Let's go.
So here you see how the shape of the human it changed over the years. Yeah. This was for a female for 6,000 to 7,000 years BC, which is like 8,000 or 9,000 years ago. And this is the shape of the human during that era. These two again, they founded both of them in the west of Iran. This is almost between 8,000 to 9,000 years ago. Oh, good. So a few years ago, they were building metro in Tehran. They were digging just in the downtown of Tehran to extend the metro, and they found this one. This is like for women 7,000 years ago. Yet before they found this, they didn't know the civilization of Tehran can goes back to 7,000 years ago.
They made this for blind people.
Uh-huh.
So they can touch their computer, they can listen, they tell the stories. Really good. I like it.
This is the first things that can come from the human mind to make the designs and the things more beautiful. Cool. It was for the king.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Wow. Cool. Yeah, true. Wow, it opens as well. Wow, wow. Cool. Cool, very good. Don't touch, don't touch. Oh. Yeah, it's traditional hats.